Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is not a video, but I wanted to show you some really nice sourdough bread that my son made yesterday. And I was super impressed with it. He did this using a starter that he's been cultivating, taking care of for the past year. And he made a really nice loaf yesterday. And I thought maybe I'm gonna start getting into sourdough bread. This tastes amazing. Really, really nice. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.